Hey guys, Joe here. So in this video, I want to talk about going with the cheapest price. So the whole point of starting SJ Fence Supply is to basically allow homeowners to get a great deal on their fence, right? However, that being said, what just happened today, or a conversation that happened today, is basically the homeowner bought the materials through us, and then they went through Thumbtack, and they, found an installer, had a few good reviews, and they were the best price, so they went with them. That being said, there's been a few issues on the install, and so the one way to basically not guarantee yourself to not have any issues, but a way to probably not have any issues, is basically using one of the contractors that we recommend, because we've built a relationship with these contractors. They order from us on a consistent basis. We see their work. They come in, we're able to talk to them. We see the workers that they have, when they come in to place the orders and things like that. And basically what we know is, just from looking at the fence, we know that they're going to do a good job by working and seeing with the owner as well as the employees. We get to have a feel of like what type of people they are, because like you really don't want to hire someone because they have a great price and you're talking to the owner and they're halfway decent, but then their workers show up and they're like not the type that you want even on your property. Does that make sense? So again, that's why we have a select group of contractors that we recommend, because like we don't want any issues for you. The whole point is it's not worth saving money if you're going to have all these headaches, and which this customer is, right? And because it's very easy as a contractor, basically to tell homeowners pretty much whatever, but that's what I hate, that contractors do a lot of times. Happened to me when I was, when we were buying our house and things like that. There were certain things that, even though I am not a carpenter, even though I am not a plumber and things of that nature, there's certain things that just don't make any sense. And they're like, yeah, well, that's how it's supposed to be, when we both know it's not supposed to be that way. It's just like, it's supposed to be that way because I don't feel like dealing with it. Just a FYI. So an easy way to find out who the contractors are in your area that we recommend is using our GPS tool. So you can go to sjfencesupply.com. There's several links on the homepage, and basically it says use the GPS tool. And so you use it it's best on a desktop computer, but you basically put in your address, some contact information, and you basically draw out your fence. From there, it's going to tell you how much of the materials you need, what the price for the materials is going to be, and then as well as contractors that are in your area, and as well as basically a range of like the labor that you can expect for those contractors. Now, I'm not saying it's 100% accurate every single time, but for the most part, it's pretty damn accurate. So check that out. Makes it nice and easy. Just to let you know, your information that you put in there does go to the contractors as well. So they may reach out, and a lot of times they do it through text messages, and it's like, hey, so you did the thing, are you still interested? Because a lot of times, you think the project may be like $3,000, but in reality, between the materials and the labor, you might be looking at $5,000 and $6,000. And for me, I go through the same thing. It's like, hey, I want this done at the house, and it's like a $5,000 problem. But then, or I'm willing to spend $5,000 to fix that, or get something added, or whatever. But then they give me a price at like $15,000. I'm like, not worth it, right? So at that point, you just say, yeah, it's out of my budget, whatever happens to be. And they don't like it. The guys that we recommend, like, they don't hound you. Like, they just don't do that, because again, they know if we start hearing those stories, they're not taking care of their customers, they're torturing the people, that we will just take them off the list. And we have quite a few leads and customers that reach out to us on a daily basis, and they don't want to lose that. So it's kind of almost like a double assurance between the company and then the fact that if they don't hold up to the standards that we set, that they're not going to be recommended as well. So it's kind of like they have kind of like a big brother kind of be like, yo, you better like take care of this customer, or we're going to take you off the list, things of that nature. So anyway, hope that helps. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're going to do several more videos just on like different questions that homeowners are asking. So we'll do like how-to videos, things of that nature, things like how to take a panel apart to replace like pickets or a rail, you know, things like that, because the customer just came in for that today. So I was showing them what to do, but I would like to do that on site. Things like how to lower a fence, and you know, things that contractors may tell you that really is not true. So have a great day. See you.